Come a little closer.
Ow! What is it? It's not a chicken. Good day.
Good vibes.
And today we're going to be figuring out the age-old debate, what is better, 7-Eleven fast food or regular fast food? So I'm putting them to the test. Between the two of them, y'all are predicting that the establishments that specialize in their own variety genre of foods will be superior to that of 7-Eleven, which mass produces a bunch of different stuff, including gasoline.
No.
No.
This is the order. This is what I think is going to be better. This one, this one, this one, this one, and that, this one.
All right, let's get saucy.
What do you think she's gonna serve us first?
I hope it's chicken wings.
Open your mouth.
Thoughts
so far, first impressions?
It's a hot dog, it's cold, a lot of bread. Next one.
Not bad. Just a regular, ordinary hot dog.
You're mine. Open. Vitaly, first or second hot dog? Okay.
So the second hot dog overall.
You say second hot dog overall. Brandy, what do you say?
I say first.
Oh, okay, unblindfold. You both liked this hot dog better because you had this one first and you had this one second.
Whoa!
And you both picked the Wiener Schnitzel.
Oh, okay, yeah.
It's crazy because when you look at it, you'd be like, which one do you think specializes in hot dogs? And you'd be like, this one.
Yeah.
But they don't. So right now, 1 point for fast food, and 7-Eleven is at a zippity-doo-dah. All right, re-blindfold.
Zippity-doo-dah. We choose you. We just it so. We like your hot dogs and your warm pretzels. 7-Eleven, we promise you're still good.
Okay, moving on. Close your mouths. Close your...
Every time.
Blindfolds on.
Blindfolds on, mouths open.
And hearts open. Chicken wings. Open your mouths at the same time. Come a little closer.
Ow!
What is it? It's not a chicken. This is not the most efficient way. Oh.
I like this one.
I don't want the crust, Jenna.
Oh man. Hey, I'm gonna take mine off already because I know which one I like. I like this one more. I like this one more right here.
I like this one. This pizza is good. And the crust.
Yeah, this isn't bad right here.
That's
the
good.
crust is so flavorful.
I think it comes down to the crust. This crust has like garlic and yummy stuff on it. I want it to love you because it gets saucy, but not saucy enough.
I'm saucy.
So we all agree.
Dominos.
Pizza Dominos.
Yes! Yes! Yeah! You're the slice for me! Don't!
No!
Ask me why! Alright, let's move on to the next one. Open up,
Okay.
chickadees.
What the heck?
What
the heck?
Burrito.
Yeah. It was so
Any first
weird.
impressions? Good, good.
Cold and stale, but the beans and the cheese ain't bad,
Yeah.
really.
Really?
Now that I'm chewing it more, I really like that.
Do you like it?
Ew, it tastes like makeup.
Yeah, that one tastes weird. I like the first one more.
I like the first one.
You guys
And
like
I
the
think
first
the
one
first
better?
one
Yeah,
was
7-Eleven, right?
7-Eleven, no?
You're right.
Oh my
7-Eleven
yeah.
burrito is the winner.
What
This
was
one's
this?
from Del Taco.
I predicted that the 7-Eleven burrito would have been better than the other one.
That's true. You
Wow.
think you
genius!
You know, I'm a creative genius, and there's no other way to word it.
Here come the burrito melodics.
Yeah.
That burrito is so spicy. And by spicy, I mean good.
All right, moving on. Blindfolds on.
Ew.
Spit.
Well, I'll spit it
Ow.
Spit.
That is the 7-Eleven.
So you guys agree.
Yeah.
All right, second bite.
Could you take it
No, you have to guess. Which one did you think was
Oh,
the first one? I said not blindfold.
but we don't know which one was
I
that
have
first.
no
Oh,
idea.
oh.
All I know is the
Yeah.
second one is better to me.
Second one is better to you. Which one did you think was better for Tattle?
They were both weird cold.
Yeah, they were not good.
I would have to say I don't even know which one I like more. They're both bad. I agree with Brandy.
All I know is I could swallow one, and the other one I couldn't
The second one,
swallow.
you both agreed was better.
Yeah.
Your second one was the 7-Eleven burger. Your second one was not that. Quarter pounder.
No, I definitely like that one more. I think this is more overwhelming. This was more bland. Bad also.
Because usually I would probably go for this. Because I love quarter pounders.
I
but
love quarter pounders too.
this one was so bad. The meat tastes like weird old stuff.
I asked for the weird old stuff meat.
Oh, gross.
So did we agree that 7-Eleven was better?
You know what? I'm gonna go 7-Eleven.
I'm gonna go
on
with
this one,
7-Eleven on this one. Yeah.
Wow, sorry.
Did you retry both of them again?
No, I don't want to.
Ready? Let's
Here
sing a song
comes
about it.
song.
I'm pounding in my chest. Just one quarter for the quarter pounder. I'm giving all my heart. I'm gonna make a change. I'm telling everyone in town. 7-Eleven, louder. 7-Eleven, louder. 7-Eleven. All right, guys. This is very important because as of right now, fast food has exactly 2 points, and 7-Eleven is coming in with another 2 points.
That's amazing.
And if my calculations are correct, that means they're tied, which means this is the tiebreaker. All right.
The chicken wing.
It is the chicken wings. Chicken wings. Open your mouth again. Bite it. Bite it. Other one?
I'm gonna go with this one.
Second one? No, you're picking first one, right?
Yeah, this one.
You're picking first one. Brandy's picking the second one. Vitaly picked KFC. Brandy picked 7-Eleven.
So, Vitaly and I have different opinions. He likes the KFC. I like the 7-Eleven, so we still need a tiebreaker.
What should we do?
I think you should try everything. You're the tiebreaker.
Saying.
Like
And you're gonna do it.
The whole thing.
I'll be dead. Do you want
But
dead?
it's worth it for science.
No,
For
this is.
science, I'll do it.
What a fine day for science.
Okay, between these two, I pick KFC. I think it just tastes better.
Yeah,
So that's 1 point for fast food.
I agree on that one.
My friends betraying me.
I don't want to try you.
This is way better.
I hate you. It's hard to tell. They taste kind of the same.
Yeah, that's what we were saying. So like, this one was just less bready. That's why I think we went with this
Yeah,
one.
this one. So that's another point for fast food. Oh.
Yeah, too many weird tastes in there.
Mm-hmm. 7-Eleven.
Less bad.
Now onto the pizza. What is
So far the fast food is winning for Joe.
so
Yeah.
This has one piece of sausage on it. Just a single piece of. That's worrisome. Ooh, yeah.
That's better.
But way better.
Fast food.
Fast food's winning.
I didn't try this one yet.
That's when I was eating.
If you don't like bean burritos, you're not gonna like that.
It's all bean.
It's bean.
Tried
The
this one
beans been
earlier.
good to me.
I like this one better.
Wow, fast food 4-1.
Fast food 4-1.
Wow.
For the tiebreaker, fast food wins.
Well, there you go.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, 7-Eleven. Fast food. Yeah. What's faster than going